Here is the Amazon Fire TV 4 series. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and put the batteries into the remote, and as soon as you do that, it should automatically work. So from here I'm going to go with English in the United States for myself. Under Fire TV we just want to go continue. You don't want to use store use, so we'll go to continue. Now we have two ways that we can set this up. So the first way is we can go ahead and use our phone at the phone's camera and scan the QR code, or we can set up using the remote. It'll take a little bit longer to set up using the remote, but I'm going to go with this one here. Okay, so set up with using a remote right there. Looking for my internet, my Wi-Fi here, and mine is right there. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Going to put in my Wi-Fi password. After you put in your password, Wi-Fi password, just go down to connect right there. Select that. Connection successful. Checking for updates. Now it's downloading the latest software. We're restarting here. Now it's updating. Restarting again. Updating the TV now. TV has been updated. Now I have to sign into my Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can just sign up there. It's free. Okay, anyway, I do have one here, so I'm going to go there. I'm going to select that. So now we have to sign into our Amazon account. There's two ways to do this, okay? You can do it this way here. Just go to your computer or even to your phone and open up the web browser, and you just go to that amazon.com/code, or you can sign in with the QR code over here. I'm just going to sign in with the QR code this time. So let me just go ahead and get my iPhone. I'm going to open up my camera here, and I'm going to go right there. It's going to take me to amazon.com right there. So I just signed in to my Amazon account using that QR code, and now this enter device code, this already popped up here, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on continue. Okay, as soon as I did that, the TV started moving now, successfully registered. And it says, welcome, Virgil. This TV will be registered to your account. Okay, that's fine. I'll continue with that. Save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. That's optional. Yes or no, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to go with no for myself. And it says, for me, it says restore Fire TV because I have a bunch of other Fire TVs I can restore, or I can go ahead and skip. I'm just going to go ahead and skip, start fresh here. And this pops up, Apple TV Plus for myself. I'll go with no thanks. Protection plan, read through that. For me, I'll go with no thanks. Wow, you can play Fortnite and more on Fire TV, but you can do a free trial. But for me, I want to go with no thanks. And all these ads here, I'll go with no thanks. And it says choose your streaming services. You can go no thanks and do it later, or you can do it now. We'll just go ahead and let's just get started, and just go ahead and download the apps that you have that you want. Like I do have Peacock, subscription with Peacock. I have also a Disney Plus, and I have some other ones. Let me go over here. No, you can always download these like later as well. So so I'm just gonna add these two right there. Parental controls, you can do that or no. I'm gonna go with no. Welcome to Fire TV, go ahead and read through that, and then once you got it, click on got it. Scan for TV channels, you can go ahead and scan and see if you have any TV channels. You can do it now, or you can do no, and you can do no and do it later, but for me, I'm just gonna go with no. And here's the sign in here. And voila, we are in business. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.